What's going on, everybody? I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Welcome back to yet another episode of 2-Minute Lawn Tips, which basically works as it sounds. It's me giving you guys lawn care tips in under 2 minutes. So what we're going to talk about today is probably one of the most important things in lawn care, and that is going to be measuring your lawn. It probably goes without saying, but it's important if you haven't already to go ahead and measure your lawn, as it dictates a lot in lawn care, such as how much product you need to buy, as well as what type of mower you're going to want to commit to buying to maintain that real estate. So it's a good idea if you haven't already to get out and measure your lawn. So with that being said, I want to go ahead and put this into perspective. When we go ahead and measure our lawns for the first time, there are often a couple of tools that we're often going to resort to for this job. One of them being a tape measure, another one being a measuring wheel, and the third one being online software. Now, if you're like me and you're in the predicament of maybe I don't have a tape measure, my garage is messy, it's going to take me forever to find one, or maybe you just don't want to commit to learning how to use software, totally understand that. I got a special treat for you guys, and it's actually something that's quick and it's easy, and that's something that all of you guys can do literally when you get done watching this video, so sit back. Alright, so the method I'm about to give away to you guys is going to blow your minds. It's very fast, it's very easy, and you need no tools whatsoever to use this tactic when it comes to measuring your lawn, and it's what I like to call the 3-foot step, which basically means that with every step you take, your strides are going to be about 3 feet or just under that. Now, to keep it simple, let's go ahead and assume that our strides are 3 foot long. Now, keep in mind, when I say strides, I mean giving it your widest stride that you can. It's going to be about 3 feet long. And with that being known, what I want you to do is I want you to walk the length and the width of your lawn area, and then from there I want you to count the number of steps it takes to get from one end to the lawn to the other. And I want you to do this for both the length and the width. When you get done counting your steps, what I want you to do is take your numbers of steps, multiply that by 3, and that's going to give you your true length and your true width. And then from there you can go ahead and do your basic math. Length times width equals square footage. There you go, bing bang boom. You literally just got the measurement of your lawn in under a minute. So that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. And if you have any questions, leave those down below as well. And I will do anything I can to help you get the deepest, darkest, greenest, thickest lawn on the block. So with that, I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. If I don't see you guys next time, your lawn is going to be dominated. See you later. Shh.